Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be working on binary binary to decimal. So task 11 says there are two types of people in the world: those who understand binary and those who understand. So it's either you understand binary or you don't even understand. So the task is to write a script that converts a number from base 2 to base 10. So my mathematicians will remember this. So the number in base 2 is stored in the environment variable binary. The script should display the number in base 10 followed by a new line. So let's get to class and write your answer into this file 11 binary to decimal. Okay, so use our VI to write into it. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, so VI shift insert. So yeah. Okay, sorry. Let me clear this. I think I made an error. Okay, so VI, our file name 11 binary to decimal. Okay, great. So we use our I to write inside or to type inside. So the compulsory line is what I'm typing now. Then slash bash, then enter. So the command as stated here is to echo and this symbol, that's your quotation symbol, then your dollar, then open bracket twice, then two hash and the dollar, then the binary in all caps, binary, then you close your brackets twice as well, then your quotation mark. This is our answer. So I will leave this one, so I'll be exiting this. So escape colon WQ. Then I'm going to make my file executable with the command chmod chmod plus x. Then our file name. So ls to check 11 can you see? So then we can git add and commit. So our commit message will be this, but I will remove some special characters. Commit message. Let me see. Okay, I'll remove this apostrophe. Let me see if it will allow me to commit. Okay, great. So I've committed. So I'm going to be pushing to origin. All right, great. So let's check our code and see how far we've gone. All right, beautiful. So you can see that our code is fine and correct. So I believe it should be fine at your end as well. So thank you for watching. See you in my next videos.